Well, I've cheated.
You've cheated? With who? Don't worry, your boyfriend will watch. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yeah, so today's video I have a special guest with me. I'm sure you know this face already. It's like we are sharing the channel.
Yeah, you see it.
So we have Joy from Joy's Kitchen, and today we'll be playing a game, Never Have I Ever. So the rule is, if you have done any of it, you're going to take this drink. I hope we don't get drunk at last. So so without wasting much of your time, let's start. Let us start. Never have I ever kissed in public. Like outside, or somebody is there, you kissed your boy. Yeah, drink.
Wait, like serious? So you don't expect me to kiss in public? No, that is
I'm not saying you should not kiss. I'm just saying that if you have done it.
Oh Jesus, this girl wants to kill me today because I know that she this video. She planned it for me.
Don't worry, I'll not fill the cup.
Fill the cup. Like I will just beat you. Oh jeez.
He has not finished it. Something is there.
Serious.
Okay. I'll show this one I'm guilty.
Better be you.
Never have I peed in a pool. I have. I used to pee every time I go to swim.
Oh yeah, carry on. Go. Well,
this one she don't used to swim
I
at
don't
all.
used to swim, and
So
this type of person that used to go to the pool,
Yes.
beach. Well, I do go to the beach, but just for the fresh air, not to be outside the water. What's wrong? You have not started. My darling, you just the bikini. You are still going far.
who is going far with you? Never have I given a wrong number.
No,
Joy,
I'm serious. No,
you've not given a guy a wrong number.
No, I'm serious. I swear. If I don't want to give, truth be told, I'm not lying. If I don't want to give you my number, I'm not giving you. And if I want to give you, I'm going to give you. No, I've never given you. He's guilty. Don't bother. I know. She's on this matter. Oh yeah, go.
Hey, Joy, this thing is too much.
Carry on. When I'm drinking
I'll
my
not finish it.
Jackpot.
I'll not give you this much. Nah,
Drink it, please.
I'll not finish it.
You finish it though.
I'll not finish it because we still have a lot of questions.
No, finish it. Don't worry. The rest is enough for the question. Drink.
Your plan will not work.
They can't. Don't bother. I don't want the plan to work. Drink something, John.
I can't give you that much.
I slap the brains of these people that is watching you. Drink it.
Oh my God.
God, you not only. Oh my God. How you are talking? Good girl.
Never have I ever cheated on someone.
I think we are both guilty.
Well, yeah, who guilty? Wait, me and you cheat on who with who? Well, I don't understand the guilty part of it.
Well, I've cheated.
You've cheated? With who? Don't worry, your boyfriend will watch.
No, not with my boyfriend, like my past relationship.
Don't worry, don't watch. Why did you cheat?
Why did I cheat?
Yes.
I just feel like I just cheat, so there's nothing there. It's nothing that I don't have anything. I just want to try that stuff of dating two guys together. You understand? If you can do, I think most girls do that before, but right now I'm not into that shit. Like you can date two guys together, and if you can cope with it, you won't have issues. You can handle the two of them, and there won't be problem. So it's just a game. So babe, forget. Continue now.
I can't ask for it.
Okay.
Never have I ever dumped someone over text.
Never.
Hey, are you not was saying that I used to break up with your ex with text message.
No, just phone call early in the morning. I pick my phone. Oh, yeah.
Phone and text is the same thing.
It's not text message now. Text message is different from phone call. I call them on the phone. It's not for me. Ah, Jesus.
Never have I ever.
The way you said it, I wish it's guilty. Talkie.
Faked a name.
Ah. Odogu. Oh, yeah.
What are you guys? No, Joy, don't put that much, please. Don't put that much. Thank you. But that is the fake name, that much. I used to tell everybody my name is AB. It's AB, not my name.
Don't worry, drink, I know.
No, but I'm not ever told someone something else.
I know.
I'm not told someone something else. Now, serious, it's always AB. And everybody know me with AB.
Please, oh, AB. Well, my boyfriend name is JB, but his name is Judea.
So no. This is something that everybody knows.
Wait,
when I mean take a name.
You are AB.
Yes.
But do you think everybody knows the full meaning of that AB?
But that doesn't mean I'm faking a name because everybody calls me AB and they know me as AB.
AB came in.
When I mean fake a name is maybe I tell you my name is Juliet or I tell you my name is Esther.
So you're telling you have never fake a name before in your life?
AB. I just said that AB. I don't bother telling you the meaning of the AB. So I'm not drinking. Cheers.
Drinking.
I've no fake name.
That's fake name. That is that your real name. Your name is Abiodun.
If maybe my friends don't call me that name, then it's different. This is abbreviation of my name, so it's not fake.
Forever. Yeah, drink. Drink for the Lord.
Never have I ever ghosted someone's text. Like somebody will text you and you do as if you don't see it, or you see it and you will not reply. I'm Guinea.
I feel both of us.
Which both of you?
Yeah, dude. See, don't even try this rubbish with me. Don't try me on this video because I'm going to kill you. Drink first. Drink. It's both of us.
My stomach is feeling me.
He will help you drink.
Doctor. Dr. Joy.
Drink. See, she want to claim smart. She want to ask smart for me. Don't tell as if you have never done that many times. In fact, I'm there with that. Drink.
No, except that person is useless.
Okay, so I'm the one that we ignore someone that is important. No, now. It's not possible. Am I supposed to ignore someone that will help my life? No, don't worry. But this shit is getting me. Trust me.
Hey, Joy, see what is getting to me. Finish it. See, there's something there.
I know. The people are saying. When I give her drink, she'll be like,
my own you full cup, give me.
Oh.
Never have I ever got a tattoo, be it fake or real.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. I have to go to God to get this Christian. Really? I know if I should use my hair, you will say, oh, I'm doing it because I know you've done it.
Really? Voila.
Drink, baby.
Oh, jeez.
Even as we are doing this game, I'm just feeling my skin.
Yes.
God.
She's glowing.
Madam Gloria. Please, oh. I'm here to be an ambassador for any skin product.
Please, I'm available. So. Don't forget me. Remember me.
Okay. Second to the last. Never have I ever lived alone.
Well, we've got.
I have. So we drink. Why did I even write it?
Because I don't know what's wrong with you. How do you expect us not to live?
Drink it. I'll pour my own. You have sense.
Okay.
I'll pour my own.
So this is all to kill me. I know you want to.
I'll pour my own. You have not finished it. Drink it.
Ah, Jesus. I mean, really.
What is really? You do me and now do your own small.
Why? I'm sure everybody on the channel already know that you have one person that is a drama queen, which is me. Drink.
have that. My stomach is paining me
I will
already.
not kill you.
No, it's paining me up here.
Why?
I don't know.
What did you say? Hey, calm down. I never read that story.
But I finish it.
Finish it up! I'm there. I'm doing it. See why you come back.
As you carry come and say, why have you finish it?
You don't know what is going on in my tummy to drink it.
I don't do it again. I don't
Do it, drink. Just feel like dancing. I don't know. Nothing is happening. Just
Please, I'm sorry if you think I'm overreacting. I'm not a fan of alcohol.
let me just say that.
I'm not a fan.
If you like drama, every little thing.
I'm not a fan of alcohol.
Okay, the last one on weekend.
Never have I ever missed a date for no reason.
Missed a date.
For no reason.
I've never.
Me too, I've never.
Say
it! Say it!
I don't know when that Yoruba come out.
Yoruba girls, say.
Nobody has ever asked me out on a date before, so I'm not supposed to miss dates. Hey, let me say,
My girl, we are the same. I've
so-
never gone on a date. No guy has asked me.
I've never gone on a date. No guy has asked me.
Oh my God, what a sorrowful life.
What do me?
A minute silence.
Yeah, but what do me go? Come back to life.
I died before.
What do me go? Jesus, this question.
Hey, please, we need to go on a date.
No, we carry ourselves and go.
We've been carrying ourselves out.
Abiodun, someone just take us out. Wow.
Somebody, please take us out now. Or we no fine. See French girls, so. Anyways, if you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Who's sending me message now? If you're watching, see, they don't make me speak English. If you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notifications so whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Bye! Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye. Love you
guys. Bye.